Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Garageband can see the plugin. First, confirm your Mac OS supports the audio units format. Many modern plugins use so. Install the plugin using its installer or copy the component file to /library/audio/plugins/components. Sometimes a user-level library folder is appropriate. Once done, restart GarageBand so it rescans plugins. If GarageBand asks to validate audio units, allow it. That step ensures the plugin is recognized and safe before. Next, you'll add the plugin to a track. Select or create the track you want to process. Instrument tracks accept instruments while audio tracks take effects. Open Smart Controls or the Track Controls area, click an empty plugin slot, then navigate to Audio Units, pick the vendor, and select the plugin. If you don't see it, quit GarageBand and rescan audio units in the O validation dialog or reinstall the plugin. Make sure plugin bit depth and sample rate match your project to avoid silence or errors. Finally, configure the plugin and secure your settings. Open the plugin's user interface, tweak parameters while playing audio so you hear changes in context, and use bypass to compare processed versus dry sound. Once satisfied, save a preset inside the plugin or save the entire channel strip setting in GarageBand so you can reuse it later. If you run into audio dropouts or CPU overload, make sure sample rates match, freeze tracks, or disable other heavy plugins. This troubleshooting keeps sessions stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.